Welcome to Nomadic Wanderer.
Hello folks, welcome back to Nomadic Wanderer. Today we are traveling around Ninh Binh, an adventurous and I feast for nature lovers. After traveling 2 hours from Hanoi, finally we reached Tra Nhan Gate, which is around 90 kilometers from Hanoi. While we are wandering at the Tra Nhan temple, the lush green mountains, which look like they are floating above the river, caught my attention. But to explore these beauties, we need to travel on a boat. So we took a boat which cost around 200,000 Vietnamese dong, approximately 700 Indian rupees per person. These are 250 million year old limestone mountains reflecting into the clear water. The harmony between the river and the rocky mountains brings a charming landscape full of charm. In addition, this is also a place to preserve the precious mangrove ecosystem.
There is always a light after a darkness.
The water is so clear that we can see what's underneath. The most awaited trip, Ninh Binh. And here is Shanghai. Prem, say something.
Hello, this is our last trip for the say bye bye. So I want to say we'll not forget these moments ever forever.
Yeah.
See you next 5 years.
Yeah.
Probably in the same place, I hope.
Yeah.
Why not?
Why not?
You.
This is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again. So let me begin, 'cause this is not goodbye.
Here come the nice view of the Ninh Binh.
It's a little bit of fog and something. And next to us, some guys are having some chill.
We have sweets, yes.
I'm gonna say bye-bye to Vietnam and I'm gonna go to Nepal for my wedding. Lima, you have to find a girl.
Yeah, sure. I'll try my best. Just for you.
And we should arrange also the place, okay?
Yeah. For the first day. First day. Why not? I left my room. Me and my wife will be outside.
Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button.